Sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah, who is
Sir,
it?
sir, I'm Ria.
Okay, yeah, Ria.
Sir, after the interview, can you please, sir, guide us on group planning exercise? Actually, I was watching some videos, so there I couldn't make a strategy how to solve them.
Okay, I'll tell you about that also. But you see,
Oh,
you attend to this, which is very important,
okay,
because I
sir.
think first interview, first person leaving is on 8th of August. Anybody leaving home before 8th?
Sir,
Sir,
Mohit
me.
has his interview on first, sir. So tomorrow,
First,
today, basically.
first is today. Where's Mohit? Is not. He's gone. Mohit is here. Mohit Yadav. Mohit, are you there? Mohit is not there. I can see his thing. Is he there, Mohit? Yeah, Kush, Mohit is there or not?
Yes, sir, he's there, but he's
Why
not
is he?
replying.
Why is he not responding?
I'll just message him on WhatsApp, sir.
Yeah, just ask him what is his problem. And if 1st August
Yes,
he, interview starts, how is he here then? He should have been the SSB
exactly,
now.
sir. That's my question, sir. I'll just confirm with him.
Yeah, just check with him. And anybody else before 8th of August, who's the one who's on starting on 8th? Ria, when
Sir,
is yours?
Ria has on 7th.
Sir, my interview is on 7th August.
When are you leaving home?
Sir, I'll be leaving most probably on 4.
4th is Tuesday.
Yes,
And you're
sir.
going to Allahabad.
No,
This
sir,
place.
Dehradun.
So then why should you leave on 4th? You're in Agra. Agra, Dehradun is hardly any distance.
So actually, they have some rules. They are saying that they will quarantine there, and for that I have hardly any time. So that is why my father is planning to leave on 4. So if they quarantine us, then we'll stay there for 3 to 4 days.
Okay, who else with you? Anybody else? Who else? Give me the dates of interview starting.
Sir, I have my dates on 14th August, Gandhinagar.
Okay, 14th August. And who
Yes, sir.
else? Saurav is 14th August. Who else? What about the others?
Sir,
Yes,
Mohit is
sir.
still not
My
replying.
name is Saksham. I have my interview on 14th August.
You also 14th. Who else?
Sir, good evening, sir. I have my SSB on 25th August.
Okay. 21st, quite some time. Who else? Anybody before 14th August? Apart from Ria?
Sir, it's me, Sir Kush. I have it on 14th.
You also 14th. So three of
Yes,
you
sir.
on 14th and Ria is the earliest. Ria, you what time? Tomorrow you give me a ring. It's about 10 o'clock. And then I'll spend some time with you. And all the three boys who are on 14th, you also join in. Are you free tomorrow, Sunday? Or you're not
Yes, sir.
busy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Free,
Sir,
absolutely.
So
sir, in
tomorrow
the
what?
morning.
Yeah, morning may give me a ring at 10.
Oh,
I'll give you time. So tomorrow we will run down the entire GTO thing. Okay?
okay, sir.
And have
Yes,
your
sir.
paper and pens ready. I will run a presentation also, PPT. Ria, you're going for the first time?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And उसके अलावा Kush is 14. Are you first timer, second timer?
2 times conferenced out, sir.
Okay. Saksham,
Yes, sir. I'm a
Saksham,
fresher.
fresher. And who is the third one? 14th
Sir, me
August?
too, fresher.
Okay,
Saurabh.
first time. So then all four of you be together. Ria can take time from me tomorrow at 10 o'clock and then convey to you all. And then when you take time with me, you should be totally free. Do not have any other commitments with you. We'll keep repeating the Zoom meeting, same one again and again. Okay. And Varun, you can give me
Okay,
the
sir.
Varun, not you. Give me the
Yes, sir.
hosting rights because I'll need to share the PPT with them. I'll show them everything, whatever is there.
Sir, so you are
And
taking one-to-one interviews or you are taking the class tomorrow?
all these four boys and girls. And if others want to join, most welcome. Because what I'll do is I'll run down the SSB properly, and then Ria will have only 1 day left. So Ria, you should collect all your doubts. Tomorrow, whatever I run down about 25-30 slides for you. And then whatever doubts are left with you, that will clarify on Monday. But how have you been doing the OIR? All four of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What is
sir.
your
Yes,
what are
sir.
your what are your scores in OIR in your practice session?
95 percentiles.
Okay, Ria, yours.
So mine is 80.
Okay, Kush,
It's 88 percentile.
Saksham.
Yes, sir. It's between 90 to 95.
Yeah, Ria, you have to work a little more because you have to be above 80. Remember that. Okay.
Okay,
Are you
okay, sir.
are you all in the hang of things? What exactly those sequences are?
Yes, sir.
Or those things are clear to you? Or are you still something is still in doubt in your mind?
No, sir. It's all clear. Sir.
Clear, sir.
Ria,
Clear.
Kush, Saksham,
Clear, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
sir. Clear.
Ria.
Sir, just
Yes,
a
sir.
small confirmation, sir, from Mohit. His
Yeah,
interview is on 7th of August.
Then where is he? Why is he not responding? He should also be there tomorrow. Where is he now?
I'm here,
He's
sir.
in the,
I joined the meeting, but due to bad connection, I lost. Now I again connected, sir.
Okay, have you been practicing OIR, Mohit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm practicing, sir.
And what is your score coming generally?
What, sir?
Score क्या आता है तुम्हारा generally OIR का?
Keep on
Sir,
saying
mostly 85 to 90% रहता है.
Are you sure? I'm just telling like that.
85 to 90%.
Okay, tomorrow.
No, sir. I'm
Ria,
sure, sir.
Okay. All five of you must be there, and rest of the boys and girls you want to join, you're most welcome. Okay, but you five be absolutely on your toes, and we will keep repeating the Zoom meeting as much as we want. Okay, because out of you five, I am very sure four of you are definitely making it. Okay. Is it clear to you all?
Sir.
Four of you are
Yes,
definitely making it. So
Yes, sir.
tonight when you go to sleep, keep in your mind again and again, yes, I'm making it. I will speak. I will throw the fears out.
Okay.
Remember these sentences, three. Write them down. Ria, have you written them down? You have to keep reading the sentences for half an hour before you go to sleep. And tomorrow morning when I start speaking to you, you'll all tell me what all dreams did you get last night. I mean, the night to come.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, tomorrow you will tell me the dreams. And those dreams will come only if you keep repeating these sentences again and again before you go to sleep. And after you are doing that, you have to sleep. Don't engage into any other activity. Don't even speak to anybody. Like you can say good night to everybody in your house, lock yourself up and close your eyes and start repeating it. These three sentences. And definitely because of this, something will go in your subconscious mind and you will get a dream. If I haven't got a dream, that means you haven't done the things properly. And nobody should disturb you after that. You should straight away go to sleep. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You think I'm playing with you or something?
No, sir.
I'm doing something serious. Okay?
Yes.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Repeat these sentences in your mind. Talk to yourself. Yeah, I will make it. I will throw all the fears out. Okay? Nobody can deter me. As I told you, SSB is only being absolutely cool and natural and positive. And I've told you many things about this. Whatever I'm telling you in interview, same is applicable in front of the GTO also. Plus, I'll give you some fresh things about the GTO tests. As far as your behavior, your attitude, the way you talk remains the same. Okay? And psychology, of course, psychologist, you all are aware because psychologist is not meeting you. He's only writing your things. He's listening, seeing your written work. And I've told you in written work, you have the greatest leverage to tell a lie, which you are not. Okay, don't try to be truthful there. When I say don't tell a lie, that means do not talk anything about yourself to them which they feel is not true. But when you are answering questions, let's say especially the psychologist, making a story, I've told you that you have to tell a lie to make sure that all 15 qualities are in. and moment you're there, definitely nobody will stop you from making it. Okay, before we proceed further, we'll do a recap of what we've done earlier. Okay, who's volunteered to tell me what are the points to be borne in mind while in front of an interviewing officer? We've done it for 2-3 days. We've been repeating it. Today, somebody who's not spoken before. Yeah, volunteers. Yeah, Rashmi wants to speak.
Sir, I would like to go ahead. So, Devendra.
Yeah, Devendra, you have spoken already.
Sir, I'm spoken about the takeaways.
Okay,
I asked you just some doubts in the last session.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, sir, I've written down in chronological order. Okay. So the first thing we have to do is be well dressed.
So all of you listen to him. Just a minute. All of you listen to him carefully. You have any observations? Let me know. Yeah.
The first one is be well dressed. The second one is meditate in the 646 before entering the IO's room. Then when you enter the room, don't sit until and unless asked to sit, and greet him and thank him for making you have the seat. And the fourth thing is he will try to make us uncomfortable by looking at us from top to bottom, and we don't have to be intimidated from him. The next thing is don't speak more than what you have been asked. And the fifth one is don't show sudden emotions or be perplexed or be baffled in front of him if he asks some uncomfortable questions. The sixth one is friends, family, and teachers are non-negotiable. We don't have to speak anything negative about them. And the last one I noted down is have a original smile on your face.
Okay, now one point more you must add to this. You see, whenever when you were small, or even now, when you go to a guest's house, did your mom or your dad tell you that they'll offer you something to eat? So jump mat karna, हाँ मत करना. बोले कुछ खा लो, बोला नहीं हम तो घर से खा के आए. बोलते हो ऐसे ना? Does it happen that way? When you go to a guest house, did your parents tell you that when you will be offered something to eat or drink, say no to it first, say thank you very much, हम तो घर से खा पी के ही आए थे जी. ऐसे बोला था कि नहीं बोला था? सिखाया था? तो क्या आपने वहां जाके जब उन्होंने बोला आपको कुछ, तो did you behave as though आपको सिखा के लाया हुआ है? Or you were natural?
Natural.
कैसे natural थे देवेंद्र?
Sir, I didn't understand your question, sir.
Okay, Ria, you said
how do
natural.
You mean?
Okay, Ria, you said natural.
How do you mean natural, sir?
Yeah, Ria, tell me. आप वहाँ पे कैसे natural थे?
So can you repeat it, please?
यार मैंने question पूछा, आप सबने बोला yes, natural, and now you want me to repeat? You're not listening to me properly. Okay, I'll repeat the whole
We were
thing.
natural.
Okay, Gaurav.
We were natural in a way कि this is not taught. This is what is inbuilt us. So that's the main thing. That
Good, Gaurav. I'll repeat the whole thing again. Devinder has given you 9 points. And those 9 points I have taught you. Now I'm drawing an analogy with this. When you were a small kid, maybe at this age it doesn't happen with you. At this age also can happen, by the way. Maybe you learnt it. But when you were a small kid, definitely, when your father, your mother, or your grandparents, they took you to say, somebody's house, some relation, friend. Before going there, didn't they tell you कि वहां पे जाके बोलेंगे बेटा ये खा लो या पी लो, तो उसको बोला नहीं जी हमको नहीं चाहिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच, हम खा पी के आए हैं. ऐसे होता था ना बचपन में?
Yes, sir.
होता था नहीं होता था?
Yes, sir.
तो बचपन में जब वहां उनके घर जाते थे तो आपको बोला जाता था रिया बैठिए, आप क्या खाएंगी? केला खाएंगी, बनाना खाएंगी, ऑरेंज खाएंगी? तो रिया क्या बोलती थी? हाँ जी फटाओ मुझे जल्दी दो. ऐसा बोलती थी? या फिर रिया बोलती थी कि नहीं मुझे तो मम्मी ने घर में चलने से पहले बोला था जब तक 3 बार ना 4 बार ना बोले हाँ मत करना, तो मैं आपके 4 बार करने का इंतजार कर रही हूँ. और या फिर रिया ने बोला नहीं नहीं थैंक यू आंटी, थैंक यू वेरी मच, हम जब चले थे ना हम खा के चले थे, पेट भर गया. तो which was the Riya's response? Riya, which one was it?
Third one, the third one.
Why not second one?
Sir, it is a natural response.
देवेंद्र, why not second one? कि मुझे तो घर में मम्मी ने बोला था चलने से पहले कि 3 बार मना करना, चौथी बार हाँ करना.
Sir, it will make both of us uncomfortable. The situation would be awkward.
Yeah, anybody else who wants to push? Arun Singh, bolo Arun.
Sir, they can think that they wanted to eat our home's food. That's why.
So
that's not an ethical response.
That's not our true personality, and it will create a bad image in front of them.
Yeah, Varsha hasn't spoken as yet. Varsha, क्या बोला था?
Only I joined, so I didn't listen the question properly.
Okay, I'm repeating again. अब मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा ताकि किसी को समझने में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. मैं ये बोल रहा था कि जब आप छोटे बच्चे थे 5 years 6 years और आपके पेरेंट्स आपको किसी फ्रेंड के घर में या किसी रिलेशन के घर में लेके जाते थे, switch off your mics, yeah, mute your mics, all of you. Mute your mics, all of you, please. Unmuted only when you have to speak. Anchal, are you listening or not? Okay.
Yes, sir, I'm listening.
Okay. So my question is, when you were a small kid, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 4 years, 3 years, when your parents, your grandparents, or your chacha, chachi or somebody, वो आपको अपने साथ किसी दूसरे के घर लेके जा रहे थे किसी काम से, किसी फंक्शन पे, तो आपको चलने से पहले सिखाते थे ना कि वहां जाकर के वो बोलेंगे कि चाय पी लो, फ्रूट खा लो, स्वीट्स खा लो, तो उस पर झपटना मत. वहां पे उनको जब वो बोले तो उनको बोलना नहीं थैंक यू वेरी मच, मैंने खा लिया है, मैं खा के आई हूँ, या मेरे को भूख नहीं है, ऐसी कोई चीज सिखाते थे ना. फिर वो ये भी बोलते थे कि बार बार इंसिस्ट करें 4-5 बार, तो फिर उसके बाद हाँ करना. Am I right, Varsha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now then I said, like, पहले हमने रिया के साथ बात की थी, तो मान लो रिया जा रही थी अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, तो मैं अभी रिया के रिस्पॉन्स क्या होने चाहिए वो देख रहा था. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन मैंने आपको दी, ऑप्शन ए, कि रिया ने वहां जाकर के बोला, क्या बोला रिया? फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन?
So the first one is, आप जब तक 4 बार नहीं बोलोगे तब तक I will not going to eat it.
मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे सिखा के भेजा था कि आंटी जब तक 4 बार ना बोले तब तक हाँ नहीं करना. दूसरा रिया ने बोला आंटी कोई बात नहीं, मेरे को नहीं, मैं तो खा के आई हूँ. ठीक है ना. अब इसमें से आपका कौन सा रिएक्शन है वर्षा?
So second one, obviously.
क्या, what is it?
That if they are first time, if they are saying, then we can say that no, my belly is full, or I completed my lunch or dinner, whatever. But again and again, if they are insisting, then we can eat 1 or 2 bites because so that they can comfortable and they did not.
Yeah, you said, you use the word obviously.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll come to that obviously.
Yes,
Manisha, what is your reaction? Manisha?
Sir, I would have denied and I would have gone with the second option, saying that I am full and I just had my lunch and I am okay. After insisting multiple times, I would have taken a bite or 2.
तो आपने मनीषा ये क्यों नहीं बोला आंटी को कि आंटी मेरी मम्मी ने चलने से पहले मुझे सिखा के बोला था कि जब तक आप 4 बार ही नहीं बोलोगे मैं हाँ नहीं करूंगी.
जी सर, उसमें ऐसा लगे, उसमें ये पता चलेगा दैट आई हैव बीन टॉट कि नहीं ऐसा करना है और मेरा खुद का नेचुरल रिस्पॉन्स नहीं रहेगा. प्लस सेकंड चीज, अगर मैं पहली बारी में हाँ बोल देती हूँ तो इट विल शो दैट आई एम वेरी डेस्परेट एंड आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर देम टू आस्क मी, और मैं जैसे ही वो पूछेंगे मैं तुरंत हाँ बोलने के लिए बैठी थी.
Okay, Manisha, we just write down these responses by the time I'm talking to the others. I'll sum up this question with your responses. You're given 4 options and give your reasons. Write it down and be ready. Okay, Saksham, what is your response? Saksham?
Sir.
Saksham,
So
Yeah.
I will say, definitely I will say that I am full. I just had my food, and after ingesting I will have a bite or two.
Okay, okay. Nilakshi, tell me, why would you not say कि मैं तो बहुत आज्ञाकारी बच्चा हूँ, मेरी मम्मी ने बोला था जब तक 4 बार ना बोले हाँ मत करना, मैं तो बहुत आज्ञाकारी हूँ, मैं तो बड़ा अच्छा बच्चा हूँ. देखिए आंटी, मैं तो इतनी अच्छी बात मैं तो अपने मम्मी डैडी का कहना मानती हूँ.
Okay, good evening, sir. Because when we were child, we were taught this. Because in order to have good etiquettes at that time, we didn't know how to behave well with others. So we were taught this. That's the reason we behave like this.
So now you started behaving well, good, अच्छी तरह से.
Huh? Yes, sir.
Okay, same thing is applicable to your SSB interview.
Yes, sir.
Now वहां पे तो अगर आपने बोला होता कि मम्मी ने बोला था 4 बार करना है, तो आपने आपकी मम्मी की बेइज्जती हो जाती ना कि आपने बच्चे को सिखा के लाई है. वैसे तो बच्चे भुक्खड़ है और अभी मेरे सामने बड़ा स्मार्ट बनने की कोशिश कर रही है, बेइज्जती हो जाती मम्मी की या पापा की.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Manisha, just speak out those 3-4 points again before I give a final verdict on this.
Sir, so the first one is whatever we have decided upon. So the first
don't tell me, tell others, your friends.
Yeah. So friends, what we have decided, why we are not going to say about it, because first thing that we will be in a way disrespecting our parents by not, and also the second would be because as a young child or young kid, we do not have the sense of choosing right or wrong. तो फिर वो moral values inculcate करने के लिए हमें इसे सिखाया जाता है. Third चीज which I found is that अगर हम तुरंत एकदम अचानक से किसी चीज के लिए हाँ बोल देते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है that we were waiting for this. So that shows that you were desperate enough and you are not आपको नहीं पता, आप इंतजार ही कर रहे थे उस चीज के लिए. तो ये 3 चीजें सब मैंने नोटिस.
Okay, good. Now ये जो मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया, इतनी डिस्कशन करवाई इसके ऊपर, same thing happens in SSB. Moment you start speaking too much, moment you tell them कि सर ये मेरे को तो सिखा के भेजा है, then he'll say यार you are disrespecting your teacher because they don't want you to do that. They don't want you to come with a training. They want you to come with a natural self. तो उसी तरह जैसे आपकी मम्मी ने आपको बोला था कि वहां जाके अगर ना करनी है तो वो नेचुरली आनी चाहिए, तो देन मम्मी की भी इज्जत हो जाएगी, कितना अच्छा प्यारा बच्चा है, और आंटी भी आपको आपके बारे में अच्छा इंप्रेशन रखेगी. इज दैट पॉइंट अंडरस्टूड? उसी तरह से अगर आप वहां पे आईओ के सामने, जीटीओ के सामने, इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर के सामने नेचुरली बिहेव करोगे, पता तो आपको है, सिखाया तो आपको है, अगर उनको पता चलेगा कि ये सिखा के आया हुआ और बोल रहा है, इसका मतलब ये है कि इसमें वो क्वालिटी थी नहीं, ये तो सीखी हुई क्वालिटी है जो इस वक्त थोड़ी देर के लिए वो मेरे को दिखा रहा है, तो वो आपको रिजेक्ट कर देगा, यानी कि आपकी मम्मी की बेइज्जती कर देगा. रिया, पॉइंट क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
साक्षम?
Yes, sir.
देवेंद्र?
Yes, sir.
सौरभ?
Yes, sir.
खुश?
Clear, sir, clear.
Okay, so whatever I'm teaching you, that should be projected over there in a very, very natural manner. अब होगा क्या कि जैसे ही वो आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, आपके दिमाग में वो लड़ाई शुरू हो जाएगी, क्या आएगा, एंग्जाइटी आ जाएगी, क्या पूछने वाला, क्या जवाब देना है, ये सारा कुछ उड़ा दो. मैंने एनएलपी में बोला था पहली चीज, डिलीट ऑल दैट टेंशन दैट कम टू यू, डिलीट इट फ्रॉम योर माइंड. उसके बाद अगर कोई सिचुएशन आ जाती है वेर यू फील कि यार फंस गए, नहीं समझ में आ रहा, जैसे रिया रिट्रैक्ट करती है अंदर, अपनी गर्दन को नीचे झुका के ट्राई टू पुश द चेयर बिहाइंड, राइट रिया? आर यू स्टिल डूइंग इट और नो?
Sir, I'm not doing it. I'm practicing not to do it there also.
Yes, good, शाबाश, good. So ये सब चीजें उसको बताएंगी कि भाई इसके बीच में ये क्वालिटी थी नहीं. एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि यार सुनो, तुम तो बोला था कि तुम लेट उठते हो, बट ये अभी जल्दी क्यों किया? सर मैंने तो एसएसबी के लिए आना था ना, तो प्रैक्टिस शुरू कर दी. तो ये वही जो मम्मी ने मना किया था ना कि मत बोलना, आपने बोल दिया जाके. तो मोमेंट दैट हैपेंस, दैट मींस यू आर अ सेल्फिश पर्सन आज एसएसबी की जरूरत है तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, और नेचुरली अगर आपको करना पड़ा तो आप ऐसा कुछ नहीं करोगे, आप 10 बजे उठोगे, उठ के सो के उठोगे। तो उसी तरह से जो चीजें मैं आपको बता रहा हूं इनको वर्बैटम नहीं बोलना है, उनको सिखाने की कोशिश नहीं करनी है, ये सिर्फ अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में रखो, ताकि जब आपको कोई सवाल पूछे, अगर नहीं आता तो बोलो सर मेरे को, सर इसके बाद हंस के स्माइल करके बोलो सर ये आप जो पूछ रहे हो ना आई हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट इट, और मुझे इसके बारे में पता नहीं, मैं पता कर लूंगा सर, या पता कर लूंगी सर। उसमें सिर्फ यही गुंडी मैंने बोली थी कि अगर इंटरव्यू में पता कर लूंगा बोल दिया है तो जब कॉन्फ्रेंस में जाओ तो तब तक पता हो जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि आपके पास वहां पे इंटरनेट फैसिलिटी हर एसएसबी के अंदर अवेलेबल है, तो आप गूगल पे जाके पता कर सकते हो। इज दैट पॉइंट क्लियर? ये इशू सबको क्लियर है? पार्टिसिपेंट में अपने हैंड्स अप करो, सारे पार्टिसिपेंट लिस्ट में हैंड्स अप करो, बस ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है। ये जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं आपको सिखा के भेजूं कि अगर फलाना क्वेश्चन इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर ने पूछा है तो आपने उसका क्या जवाब देना, ये जरूरी नहीं है। जरूरी ये है कि आप इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर के सामने या आईओ के सामने या जीटीओ के सामने या साइकोलॉजिस्ट के सामने बिल्कुल नेचुरली स्माइल करके एक कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सोना उनके सामने रखो और स्माइल करके उनके हर चीज का जवाब दो। जिस चीज का जवाब नहीं आता तो बोलो सर ये तो मेरे को आता नहीं, मेरे को आई नेवर केम अक्रॉस दिस काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, पर इसका मैं पता कर लूंगा ना हो सर, या मैं इसको पता कर लूंगी मैं। दैट इज ऑल इज रिक्वायर्ड। गेम इज दैट सिंपल। अगर गेम डिफिकल्ट होती है क्योंकि उसको आप डिफिकल्ट खुद करते हो। डू यू रियलाइज दिस? या पूजा, व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन ऑन दिस व्हाट आई हैव जस्ट सेड? पूजा?
Sir, we have to be confident, and like rather than making our like digging a pitch for ourselves, we should answer 2 points. If we don't know, we should tell them that we'll find that answer and come back. And when asked, we will tell them.
Okay, Varsha, what is your opinion on this?
Yes, sir. Whatever interviewing officer asks the question, we have to be confident and with a smile, we have to represent ourselves in a very natural way and try to avoid all these things like now I use the obvious word. So these words, I think we have to.
Now you remember this word. Varsha said obviously.
Yes, sir.
सर ये तो ऑब्वियसली होगा ही, तो एसएसबी में भी ऑब्वियस होना चाहिए। मगर जो बच्चे 3.64% आता है ना रिजल्ट एसएसबी का, वो इसीलिए आता है क्योंकि बच्चे वो ऑब्वियस वाला वर्ड भूल जाते हैं। वहां उनको लगता है पता नहीं मेरे सामने कोई शेर बैठा हुआ मुझे खा जाएगा। रिया, डू यू थिंक कोई खा जाएगा वहां पे?
No, sir. Only two things will happen, sir. Either we will pass or either we will fail.
Then, if you fail, what happens? World will come to an end. दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी।
No, sir, no, sir.
ये नहीं हुआ, कुछ और हो जाएगा। समझ गए? तो फिर दिमाग में टेंशन लाके जबरदस्ती अपने आप को फेल करवाने का क्या स्ट्रेटजी है? गौरव, जानबूझ के टेंशन में आके अपने आप को फेल करवाने की क्या स्ट्रेटजी है तुम्हारे पास?
सर मेरे पास कोई स्ट्रेटजी नहीं है सर ऐसी।
क्यों? पर फिर जब मैं सवाल पूछता हूं तो टेंशन में क्यों आ जाते हो?
नहीं सर, मैं
ओके। साक्षम, टेंशन में क्यों आते हो?
Yes sir, actually I am a cool and calm person. I don't take tension.
Okay, Riya, why did you come into tension the first day when you were interviewed? आपने सोचा है कि वो क्यों होता था? अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताओ।
Sir, actually, there is just two things in my mind, sir. When I'm giving an interview here or there, there are going to be just two consequences, and that I said just before, that either I will pass or I will fail. So that is why, sir.
No, that you are telling me now. मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि जिस दिन I told you, Riya, don't retract, don't answer like this, उस दिन डर क्यों लग रहा था? अपना एनालाइज करो ना, क्यों डर लग रहा था उस दिन? क्या रीजन था?
Those questions, sir, actually those questions were new, so I was a little bit hesitating to while answering the questions, but now the second time.
Wonderful, wonderful. Riya has brought out a very important point because she was feeling hesitant, fearful, because it was a new environment, new questions. समझ रहे हैं? But now that she knows कि ये ब्रिगेडियर सर तो वही हैं, फिर सेकंड टाइम भी वही हैं, थर्ड टाइम भी वही हैं, तो कुछ भी बोल लो यार, डरने की तो कोई बात ही नहीं है। अनफॉर्चुनेटली एसएसबी में वो जो वहां पे जो इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर होंगे वो आपको एक ही बार ही मिलेंगे। तो अब आपको जो एनएलपी का सेकंड पॉइंट मैंने बोला था एसोसिएट करने का, आप बोलो कि यार ब्रिगेडियर सर भी तो हमारा इंटरव्यू ले रहे थे, 3-4 बार लिया था तो हम कंफर्टेबल हो गए, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई पहली बार में भी, तो यहाँ पे भी एक ही बार है, तो लेट्स बी कंफर्टेबल द फर्स्ट टाइम। या हरीश, व्हाट डू यू से अबाउट इट?
Sir, in the interview, what will be the question? You should be honest and.
No, first answer my question. That I'll tell you later. First answer
yes,
my question.
Yes, sir.
First answer my question. Yeah,
sir,
Anshul Kulriya, answer my question. अगर मैं 3 बार आगे मेरे आने के बाद रिया मेरे साथ कंफर्टेबल हुई है और वहां पे आपको पहली बार ही कंफर्टेबल होना है, कोई मुश्किल है उसमें? आंचल?
No, sir, not at all. If you are well prepared and you are confident enough, then I don't think so.
Okay, so now Anchal has brought a second question. Well prepared. Now, what is the well prepared? कि आपने सारे सवालों के रट्टे मारे हुए हैं, रात 2-2 बजे तक उठ के पढ़ाई की है, वो है well prepared? साक्षम?
No, sir, not at all.
नहीं, Anchal.
Sir, practicing. We can.
Sir, I think your hesitation goes while practicing. That's why.
Yeah, you are well prepared when you're practicing. And secondly, when I'm saying, especially when you're in front of the interviewing officer आपसे क्या पूछ रहा है? वो आपसे सिर्फ
being prepared also means being mentally prepared for an interview.
वो तो आपका PIQ ही पूछ रहा है ना? PIQ के अलावा कुछ पूछ रहा है वो?
No, sir.
PIQ किसने लिखा है? Who's the author of PIQ?
So we ourselves.
तो जो किताब आप खुद लिख रहे हो एज एन ऑथर, जो कहानी आप लिख रहे हो, उसके बारे में कोई आपसे अगर सवाल पूछेगा तो आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है? कोई प्रॉब्लम है जवाब देने में? और बाई चांस वर्स्ट काम वर्स्ट वो कोई सवाल पूछ लेता है जिसका जवाब नहीं आता है, तो उसको बोलना है कि सर मेरे को तो ये सॉरी ये तो पता ही नहीं सर, मैं अगली बार पूछ के बता दूंगी आपको। रिया, व्हाट डू यू से ऑन दैट? Riya, what do you say?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अभी अच्छा, okay. We got 2 minutes left. I'll talk something different. उसके बाद रिया, we'll start with your interview today again. Are you ready?
Okay, sir.
Heart rate कितना बढ़ गया जरा देखना, blood pressure कितना बढ़ गया?
Sir नहीं बढ़ा।
हैं?
नहीं बढ़ा sir. No, sir. It hasn't decreased.
मैं तो सोच रही थी मेरा काम खत्म हो गया, दोबारा शुरू कर दिया। हैं? ओके, और आपके जो PIQ के ऊपर क्वेश्चन जो पूछे हैं वो सब आपको आते हैं क्योंकि आपने लिखे हुए आंसर, इजंट इट? उसके बाद वो 1-2 क्वेश्चन आपको अनर्व करके, अनर्व मींस आपको डिस्टेबलाइज करके पूछने की कोशिश करेगा कि आप सच बोल रहे हैं झूठ बोल रहे हैं। तो मैंने रिया को क्या पूछा था कि लड़का कोई छेड़ रहा है तो क्या करोगी? उसने बड़े स्टाइल में बताया मैं ये करूंगी। कोई भी लड़की बोलेगी, उसने बोला वो लड़का जब छेड़ रहा था तो क्या बोल रहा था। अब यहाँ रिया ने रिट्रैक्ट कर लिया, सब लड़कियां करेंगी, ऐसा ही हुआ था। तो 1-2 क्वेश्चन ऐसे पूछे जाएंगे जो आपको थोड़ा सा अननर्व करेंगे। तो उसमें याद रखना वो क्वेश्चन इसलिए पूछा जा रहा है बिकॉज ही सिलेक्टेड यू एंड नाउ ही वांट्स टू टेस्ट यू। तो दिमाग में होना चाहिए भाई अभी तो मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया, इसलिए मेरे को ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है। आता हो तो जवाब दे दो, नहीं आता हो तो बोलो सर ये तो मेरे को आता नहीं, मैं पूछ के बताऊंगा या बताऊंगी। इज दैट क्लियर?
यस सर।
अर्नब, इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? Niharika, are you guys there or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, abhi re-log in after 5 minutes and come back. Okay. Okay, 2 more minutes. We'll start. Kush, you are looking for that Varun, वो जो कल भारद्वाज का वीडियो, जूम वीडियो था, उसका लिंक अवेलेबल है readily or it'll take time?
नहीं, it is available sir. कर्नल भारद्वाज का it is available sir.
हाँ तो वो इनको जरा can you give it to them right now?
Yeah, I am just sharing it on the chat box sir. In a minute sir. Yeah.
Okay, chat box में भी डालना, WhatsApp पे भी डाल देना. And all these 5 children, where is Riya? Riya has not come back as yet. Saksham, Riya.
Kush, are you there?
Gaurav, Kush is there. Kush has just spoken.
So I am sharing a video on the chat box.
I am back sir.
Okay, one more this thing. 5 total हो ना आप लोग? मोहित also?
Sir, Just
Yes,
in
sir.
addition, sir, Manish ka bhi hai, sir. He's not on this call today.
So please tell him to be there tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. I don't think anybody can afford to miss it. And all the rest of you, in case you are available, okay, we'll fix it tomorrow. Make it 10:30. Okay, all of you.
Yes,
Riya,
sir. Yes, sir.
Riya, Riya, कहाँ पे हो? Riya has not come back. Okay, pass the message to Riya in case she doesn't come back. She may have some internet problems. 10:30 tomorrow, and you be prepared to spend some time with me. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because since Riya has to leave on Tuesday, so I'll try and finish maximum things tomorrow. Real thing. So, okay, now I think we'll start now. 19 of us are here.
Can I also join tomorrow's session?
Yes, Varsha. Whosoever is, if you all are available, join all of you. Because
Okay,
tomorrow
sir. I thought these 5 people who got their all this class is for them only.
No. It is for everybody. What I am going is tomorrow. You know what I am doing now is a very, very important thing. I am trying to tell you, more relaxed you go to SSB, more chances of you are making it. ज़्यादा सोचोगे कि इसका आंसर क्या है, उसका आंसर क्या है, उसका आंसर क्या है, डूब जाओगे.
Yes, sir.
First requisite is relaxed. That is what I am trying to tell you. And मैंने आपको रात को बैठ के वो एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए बोला है. And tomorrow you will tell me what all dreams did you get. Okay. That is all to a purpose. Okay. And बाकी जहां तक रहा, what has to be written in those exams, screening के time पे या psychologist के test में, that we've already Riya's back. We've already discussed that enough. And
Yes,
you
sir.
have the guides with you that anybody will tell you. You can read it from anywhere. You can go to the internet and you'll find कि psychologist का TAT कैसे लिखना है, WAT कैसे लिखना है, SRT कैसे लिखना है, SD कैसे लिखना है. Even जो GTO का task है, वहाँ पे before every test he'll brief you everything in detail, and he will ask you, do you have any doubts or something? You want to clarify? Please make sure when you are in front of a GTO, you clarify everything. और वो clarify करने से वो भी हो जाएगा अगर आप अपने आप को छोटा नहीं समझोगे, पिछड़ा नहीं समझोगे, अपने आप को कम नहीं समझोगे. हिंदी में बोलते हैं अपने आप को कम नहीं आंकोगे. आंकना समझते हो ना? That you evaluate yourself. Somebody
evaluation.
Yeah, there are 10 people with you. You think that I am the number 10. There are 10. You think I'm number 1, number 2, number 3. So that is how. अच्छा, ये जो वरुण सर ने लिंक डाला है, all of you note it down, copy करो.
I have put it on the WhatsApp.
And especially the 5 candidates जिनकी SSB 14th August को शुरू हो रही है, अगस्त के महीने में. You must study this, and I'll be asking you questions on this tomorrow. So don't say sir कि मेरे को time नहीं मिला, मेरे पास ये नहीं था, वो नहीं था. Even if you have to remain awake for the night, Riya, especially you, because tomorrow is the only day you have. And Monday I want you to relax as it is. Rakhi hai, I'm sure तुमने पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है. Okay? And Tuesday in any case you're leaving. Am I right? Riya?
Yes, sir.
So my assessment is correct about you?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this is how
sir.
you're going to behave. So tomorrow is very important day for you. So you must study. ये 1.5 घंटे का वीडियो है. इसकी एक चीज I want you to make notes of it. Okay? And then discuss with me if you have any doubts. And others also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So most important was that I must make you relax. Relax हो जाओगे तो TAT लिखोगे. I've given you templates. None of you have used those templates so far. मैंने बोला था उसकी टेम्पलेट लेके तैयारी करो. अगर पहली बार स्टोरी लिखने में आधा घंटा भी लगता है कोई बात नहीं. But you will understand the basics of it. And moment you understand the basics, वही आधा घंटे में जो स्टोरी आपने लिखी है वो आप 2 मिनट में लिखोगे. 3 मिनट की भी जरूरत नहीं. ओके? उसी तरह से WAT में भी बेसिक क्या है, आपको 15 क्वालिटीज के 4-4 वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं बार बार. सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट वी ऑलरेडी बीन डिस्कसिंग इन इंटरव्यूज ऑल्सो. जैसे यहाँ पे है वैसे ही वहां पे है. यहाँ बोलना है, वहां लिखना है. ओनली डिफरेंस इज हियर यू स्पीक विद फुल सेंटेंसेस. ओवर देयर वी आर टेलिंग यू उसको छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस लिखना, उसको आधे आधे सेंटेंसेस लिखो कि आई विल पिक अप द पर्सन, टेक टू हॉस्पिटल, कॉल द एम्बुलेंस, टेक टू हॉस्पिटल, get treated by a doctor, leave him back home. अब 5 एक्शंस आपने एक ही सेंटेंस में खत्म कर दी। ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है कि आई विल फर्स्ट कॉल द डॉक्टर, देन आई विल कॉल द एम्बुलेंस, देन आई विल हैव हिम ट्रीटेड, देन आई विल टेक हिम होम। इतना लिखने का समय भी नहीं है और साथ में लिखने का फायदा कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है। वही 5 में आई विल रेस्क्यू द पर्सन, गिव हिम फर्स्ट एड, पुट हिम इन एम्बुलेंस, टेक हिम टू द डॉक्टर, ट्रीट हिम एंड लीव होम। 6 चीजें हमने एक ही सेंटेंस में खत्म कर दी। दैट इज ऑल। उसके बाद एसडी मैंने आपको बताया, वो खुद कैसे तैयारी करनी है वो करके जाना। वहां लिखने का टाइम होगा, राइट इट इन दैट टाइम, 3 minutes टाइम। ओके, या सॉरी, I forgot that my camera is off. Okay, is that right? So that is your psychologist. GTO वाला मैं बोल रहा हूँ, वो एक एक चीज ब्रीफ करेगा, आपको बताएगा ये करना है, फिर पूछेगा anybody having any doubts. जब तक आपके डाउट्स क्लैरिफिकेशन नहीं होगी पूरी, वो आगे नहीं चलेगा। तो वहां पे भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए। प्रॉब्लम अगर सिर्फ होगी तो आईओ के सामने बैठोगे, उसके सामने टेबल पे, ही विल बी ऑन अ टेबल, यू विल बी ऑन अ चेयर नेक्स्ट टू हिम, वहां आपको डर लगेगा, पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है। क्यों रिया, डर लगेगा?
नो सर।
ये भी तो
इनिशियली, yes sir,
बोलो।
So initially there will be a little bit of fear in my heart, sir, but then I'll try to control myself by taking a deep breath.
So you take a deep breath before breaths of entering. Do that drill of inhaling for six counts, holding for 4 counts, exhaling for 6 counts. Do that about 5-6 times before you enter. And दूसरा, I can give you 100%, मैं गारंटी के साथ आपको बता रहा हूँ कि आईओ के सामने जब जाओगे, इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर के सामने, अगर आपके अंदर थोड़ी सी भी हलचल होगी ना, इफ ही फाइंड्स कि आप टेंस हो, नर्वस हो, ही विल फर्स्ट पुट यू एट ईज। वो अपना पूरा जोर लगाएगा कि आपको शांत करेगा, आपको जाते ही वो अनसेटल नहीं करेगा। समझो मेरी बात? वो आपको बहुत प्यार से बोलेगा, वो आपको कोशिश करेगा कि आपको बहुत कंफर्टेबल करे, एट ईज करे, और फिर आपसे सवाल पूछेगा, और बड़े सिंपल सवाल पूछेगा। रिया, वेयर डू यू स्टे? सर, आई स्टे इन आगरा। विच स्कूल डू यू स्टडी? व्हाट्स योर डैड्स नेम? व्हाट डू योर डैड डू? व्हाट इज हिज इनकम? देखो, अगर आपने आपकी जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी वो लड़की, वो उसका क्या नाम था? व्हाई डिड शी गेट मैरिड अर्लियर देन यू? एंड व्हाट हॉबीज यू गॉट? यू लाइक कुकिंग? आपका कौन सा खाना बनाती हो? इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या? एनीबडी फॉर दैट मैटर। दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस. Once he is confirmed that yes, you are somebody okay, means you are fit enough material to join the Air Force. So that is the time he'll say, रिया, वो लड़के ने छेड़ा था तो उसने क्या बोला था यार? रिया बोलेगी, सर मैं कैसे बोल दूं, उसने तो बड़ी गंदी बात बोली थी। तो अगर ये भी बोलना तो यही बोल देना कि सर मैं आपको बता ही नहीं सकते, तो बड़ी गंदी बात बोली थी। मैं तो आप मेरे से बड़े हो, यू आर रिस्पेक्टेबल लाइक माई फादर, मैं आपके सामने वो बात बोल ही नहीं सकती सर, बट मैं थप्पड़ जरूर मारूंगी उसको। बट ये थप्पड़ है जिसने आपको छेड़ा है। ये थप्पड़ अपने छोटे भाई बहन के लिए नहीं है, अपने फ्रेंड के लिए नहीं है, अपने टीचर के लिए नहीं है, अपने माँ बाप के लिए नहीं है। इज दैट क्लियर? इज दैट क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
और अगर ये अगर इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर का है प्रोसेस, तो आपको इसमें डरने की क्या बात है? कोई बता सकता है मेरे को कोई डरने वाली बात इसमें? और मैं आपको अपना एग्जांपल देके बोल रहा हूं कि जैसे ही उसने ऐसा उल्टा सवाल किया जिसमें थोड़ा आपको लगा ट्रिकी है, इसका मतलब यह है कि उसने आपको सिलेक्ट कर लिया है ऑलरेडी, और अब वो सिर्फ आपको कंफर्मेशन कर रहा है कि यस यू आर अ गुड गाय और अ गुड गर्ल। लाइक आई गिव यू माय ओन एग्जांपल। मैं कई बार मैंने इसको रिपीट किया, दोबारा कर रहा हूं आज मैं। मुझे भी जाने से पहले बोला था कि बेटा जब वो तेरे को इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर घुमाने की कोशिश करेगा ना, तो मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड। तो वो तुम्हें सिर्फ चेक कर रहा है अभी। ये मुझे भी बोला गया था, और मुझे कौन से ईयर में बोला था याद देवेंद्र?
62 सर।
यार इतना बूढ़ा नहीं हूं मैं, 62 इतना बूढ़ा नहीं हूं मैं यार। I'm not 80 साल का हूं क्या मैं? हैं? I went for SSB in 78. 28 March 1978 was my last exam. 10th class, 11th class का 11th class का एग्जाम, and 3rd of April my SSB was to start. So we left Jammu on second night. उतना ही टाइम था प्रिपरेशन का, और मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे भी बोला गया था कि बेटा जब वो तेरे को नर्वस करने की कोशिश करेगा ना, इसका मतलब है कि उसने तुम्हें सिलेक्ट कर लिया है, अभी सिर्फ वो कंफर्म कर रहा है। तो तूने उसमें वहां पे कंफर्मेशन में खरा उतरना है। यही बात आपको मैं दोबारा बता रहा हूँ, और मेरे साथ क्या हुआ वो भी बता रहा हूँ। मोमेंट ही saw my PIQ, he saw my marks in class 10th board examination. Physics 150 out of 150, mathematics 150 out of 150. So he openly told me, he said, you bugger, you are a hell of a bloody mathematician and physicist. तू तो सुपर जीनियस है यार। मैंने कहा सर सुपर जीनियस तो सर मैं नहीं हूँ, but then yes I have got marks in my exam. He said, I hope you are telling me a lie. मैंने नहीं सर, मेरा सर्टिफिकेट देख लीजिए, मार्कशीट देख लीजिए। ओके ओके, हम तेरा मार्कशीट नहीं देखेंगे, हम तेरा सर्टिफिकेट नहीं देखेंगे, वी विल टेस्ट यू, लेट्स सी हाउ गुड इज योर फिजिक्स, हाउ गुड इज योर मैथमेटिक्स। मैं यस सर। So I knew that now something Putha is coming. So his first question was, just a minute. Hello. Hi Pratik, I'm on a Zoom call. Can you call or can I call you after this? मैं बच्चों का एक सेशन ले रहा हूँ मैं, हैं? ओके ओके। वरुण प्रदीप का कॉल था यार, we forgot 6 बजे का टाइम दे रखा था। Okay, anyway, so समझ में आ गई ये बात? So he asked me a physics question. Is what is the speed of sound? Tell me, who's a physics student here?
Sir, 363 meter per second.
3 into 10 to the power 5.
अरे यार लाइट की नहीं स्पीड, साउंड की स्पीड
340 meters per second, sir.
Anyway, at sea level it's 345 meters per second. So I gave an answer. Is a wonderful. Yes. Your answer is correct. Now convert this meters per second into kilometers per hour. Oh yes sir. And then started thinking. And जब मैं उसने बोला, moment he finished his question, oh come on, quick, जल्दी, हाँ कितना कर लिया, नहीं कर लिया. So this carried on for about 30-40 seconds. तो मैं टेंशन में आ गया, पागल है, मेरे को बोल रहा है क्वेश्चन का आंसर दो, मुझे कैलकुलेट तो करना ही नहीं दे रहा. Anyway, come on, quick, जल्दी से बताओ, तुम बताओ, you are very genius in mathematics. Who can do it? Can you do it? तो मेरे दिमाग में भी क्या हुआ, टेंशन आनी थी, नर्वसनेस आनी थी ना, वो आई. बट फिर मुझे साथ में ये भी याद आया, जो मेरे को चलने से पहले मेरे एक अंकल ने बोला था जो आर्मी में थे, कि बेटा जब वो तेरे को ऐसे करेगा ना तो समझ लेना ही इज ऑलरेडी सिलेक्टेड यू, अब वो सिर्फ कंफर्म कर रहा है. समझ गया ना? द मोमेंट दैट थॉट केम टू माय माइंड, मैं कहा यार सिलेक्ट तो हो गए, अब क्या डरना है, तो जल्दी से कुछ बोल दो. आई रफली टोल्ड हिम सर 975 किलोमीटर पर आवर. So then he says, oh, are you sure you are right? मैं कहा no sir, I'm not sure, I think I'm wrong. अब ये मेरा जवाब था, क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि मुझे सिलेक्ट कर लिया है. इसे अगर तू रॉन्ग था तो तू जवाब क्यों दे रहा, गलत जवाब क्यों दिया? मैं कहा सर आप मुझे कैलकुलेट करने का टाइम ही नहीं दे रहे. यू आर नॉट लेटिंग मी थिंक इन माई माइंड, आई एम नॉट कैलकुलेटिंग ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर. आप मुझे माइंड में सोचने का टाइम ही नहीं दे रहे सर, यू आर डिस्टर्बिंग मी, सो आई कांट कैलकुलेट. तो मैंने रफली मैंने कुछ बोल दिया, अभी कुछ तो जवाब मुझे देना था. आई डिडंट वांट टू कीप क्वाइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. जवाब दे दिया सर मैं. इट्स अ वेल डन सन, दिस इज द क्वालिटी. तो सिमिलरली वो बोलेगा कि उस लड़के ने तुम्हें जब छेड़ा था तो क्या बोला था, अगर कुछ मूड में आता तो बोल दो, तो बोलो सर इतनी गंदी बात थी, आप बड़े हैं, आपके सामने नहीं बोली जा सकती. दैट इज द राइट आंसर. रिया क्लियर है? नीलाक्षी, ऑल द गर्ल्स क्लियर है? सवाल सबको समझ आई? वर्षा? तो उसी तरह से यानी कि these are the questions which they will unnerve you as a girl. अब ऐसे बॉयज को भी बोल देगा, कभी बोल देगा क्या बोला लड़की ने, सर मैंने उसको बोला तेरे घर में भाई बाप नहीं है क्या, कहते हैं तुम्हारे घर में माँ बहन नहीं है. तो इस काइंड की चीज को आप सोचोगे कि ये गलत बात है बोलना. अगर माइंड में यही आती तो यही बोलो, पर कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलो. और फिर एक बार बोल दी ना, फिर उसको रिट्रैक्ट नहीं करना है. फिर बोलेगा नो यू आर रॉन्ग, ये तो ऐसे होना चाहिए था. तो उसको बोलना है सर आप ये सोचते हैं, मैं तो ये सोचता हूँ, या मैं ये सोचती हूँ और मेरा रीजन ये है सर फलानी चीज को बोलने का. वो नो अगर तुम मेरी बात मानोगे मैं तुम्हें सिलेक्ट कर लूंगा. सर कोई बात नहीं, आप मुझे सिलेक्ट कर लेंगे सर, बट फिर भी आप आई एम श्योर आप मुझे सिलेक्ट करेंगे, बट फिर भी मेरा जवाब तो यही है सर, बिकॉज मेरी कन्विक्शन यही है सर. यहाँ तो मुझे कुछ और इनपुट्स मिलेगी, कोई मुझे और कुछ सिखाएगा, तो फिर मैं अपना सोचूंगी ओपिनियन चेंज करना कि नहीं करना. अभी तक जो मुझे जो चीजों के बारे में पता है उसके हिसाब से यही आंसर होना चाहिए. तो यू हैव टू डिफेंड योर आंसर ऑल्सो. क्लियर है? अंडरस्टूड? इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर से डरना नहीं है और उसकी हाँ में हाँ नहीं मिलानी। और हाँ बोलो सर, आप मे बी आपने ये जो इनपुट अभी दी है ये मेरे को पहले नहीं पता थी, परंतु ये जो आपने अभी दिया इसके बारे में सोचूंगा या सोचूंगी, हो सकता है मैं अपना ओपिनियन चेंज करूं डिपेंडिंग ऑन कि मेरी सोच में क्या निकलता है। यानी कि उससे आउटराइटली नहीं एग्री करना है, बट आउटराइटली उसको ये भी नहीं बोलना कि बड़ी बज ऑफ, यू आर ब्लडी रॉन्ग एंड आई एम राइट, ये भी गलत है, समझ गए? अपने आप को डिफेंड भी करना है एक तरीके के साथ। इज दैट ओके विद ऑल ऑफ यू? पुट योर हैंड्स अप इन योर पार्टिसिपेंट बॉक्स। Okay, if that be okay, we get back to Ria. Ria, now you're sitting in front of me. I'm repeating the same question. Tell me something about yourself.
Good evening, sir. My name is Ria Singhal. I am from Agra, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, before you go forward, एक minute. Whenever I ask you a question, to ask you to start something, you start with good evening, sir. यार वो good evening, good morning तो जब कमरे में अंदर आए थे आपने तभी बोल दिया था। आप दोबारा उसको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है। ओके, मोमेंट यू एंटर्ड एंड आस्क्ड यू टू सिट डाउन, बिफोर दैट यू सेड ना गुड मॉर्निंग सर आफ्टर यू एंटर्ड। डिड यू से और नॉट दिया? moment you asked permission, he said come in. Moment you entered and you stood in front of the chair, you wished him good morning sir and then he said please sit down. उसके बाद बार-बार इसको good morning नहीं बोलना, वो एक बार ही हो गया। बोलो सर I am Riya Singhal. Yeah, start like that. I am Gaurav Sharma. I am Varsha Rani. I am Niharika. I am Kush Pranav. I am so and so. Blah blah blah. Nilakshi. Okay. Go ahead now. Yeah. Tell me about yourself, Riya.
I am Riya Singhal. I am from Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Talking about my education, I have completed my 10+2 from St. Clair's. My graduation from Dalbagh. I am a bachelor in commerce, and then I opted for teaching, diploma in teaching. Talking about my family, sir, my family has 4 members, my father, my mother, and I have a younger brother. My father is a businessman, my mother is a homemaker, and my brother is a student. Talking about my friends, I have a lot of friends, and few of them are my best friends. And sir, I am a bit religious in nature. I am a hard-working person, and I am also obedient. And actually, sir, I'm committed to the people I meet and to my work also. Hello?
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. I'm committed to the people I meet and to my work also. And talking about my weaknesses, sir, I get uncomfortable.
Riya, did I ask you about your weaknesses?
Sorry, sir.
No. Weaknesses yes, only sir. Once he asks about it. Okay, yes, Riya, yes. You said you are a very religious person. Can you tell me what kind of a religious person are you?
I daily do puja for 15 to 20 minutes. I read the Holy Scripture.
Okay, which scripture have you read?
Sir, I read Durga Chalisa.
जरा सुनाओ हमको उसका क्या वर्सेस है?
Sir, I remember the. Okay, sir. Sir, okay. Namo Namo Durgesu Karni, Namo Namo Ambedu Kharni, Nirankar hai Jyoti Tumari.
Okay, enough, Riya. Thank you. Now, why did I ask you? I just wanted to confirm कि आप सट्टा तो नहीं मार रहे कि ठीक है मेरे को दुर्गा चालीसा पढ़नी आती है, पता नहीं वो आईओ को भी नहीं पता होगा क्या है, but very fact you started off confidently was good enough. So that is how it was. Okay. Now, who else is there? Saksham.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Saksham, tell me something about your friends.
Yes, sir. I have a bunch of friends, and I have few very good friends. They all are very supportive. We support each other. We motivate each other, and also we used to study together, and we go out and we have fun.
Okay, Sakshi has a video problem. Okay, Kush, tell me something about your classmates. Kush.
Yes, sir. So I come from the National Institute of Engineering. So my classmates are generally from Karnataka itself. 80% of the being from Karnataka. I get along with everybody equally. There are some friends from North India. I help them in terms of knowing places where they can visit and in terms of the next as well. Overall, I have a bunch of exciting classmates and have a great time studying together.
Okay. Do you go together for movie together?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And what are the other activities that you do together after seeing movies?
So we generally go out for bowling, which is in the mall. The pins where you have to hit the pins. You have to roll the ball, which is heavy, and you have to break down the pins.
My dear, this is not bowling. It's not bowling. It is bowling. BOWL.
Yes, sir.
So
bowling, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Enough. Yeah, Arnav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me something about your parents.
Sir, telling about my parents, my father is dead when I am class 5. I have a young sister and I live with my mother and with my sister. My mother is a school clerk. He got the job of my father and we live in a 2 BHK flat in district of West Bengal, Malda.
Okay, enough. Anchal Kulria, just tell me something about the place you visited last time with your family.
Okay, so last time we have visited to Ladakh where my father was posted. So yeah, we explored Ladakh last time.
Your father was posted to Ladakh?
Yes, sir.
Which city is Ladakh in this world?
Sorry, sir, what?
Ladakh is which city? I don't know any city in Ladakh.
Sorry, sir, I also don't remember any city because we have just directly went to the airport and after that we went to the unit area and we explored over there only.
So which airport was that?
It was Ladakh airport only, sir.
No, but Ladakh is a union territory. I'm asking you which place in Ladakh?
Sir, I'm sorry, I didn't remember because I said as we stayed in the unit area.
Anchal, how do you say your father was in the Armored Corps? आर्मर्ड कोर अभी गई है वहां पे. लद्दाख कोई जगह का नाम नहीं है, वहां ले है, थॉइस है, निमो है, कारगिल है.
Yes, sir.
And if you, how come you don't remember the name of the lake?
Sorry,
how can
sir.
you tell what was written on that your air ticket which you where did you take off from Delhi?
No, sir, from Chandigarh.
So you went in a civil flight?
No, sir, by Air Force, sir.
Air Force flight, okay.
Yes, sir.
The moment you landed there, you didn't go to the market?
Sir, it was only about 2 days stays because my mother was not feeling well because of the atmosphere over there. So we came back after 2 days only. So we didn't explore much over there.
So what was wrong with the atmosphere over there, Anchal?
So I guess there might be some breathing problems that my mother faced over there. So that's why we came back.
Why do you feel breathing problems over here? Over there?
Because it is at a high atmospheric pressure, sir.
High atmospheric pressure?
No, sir.
You said high atmospheric pressure. Where is the highest atmospheric pressure?
No, sir. I'm not able to recall that.
Highest atmospheric pressure is at the sea level, and you are on a high altitude, and you are saying there is a high atmospheric pressure. Anchal, you need to practice, learn.
Yeah, sir.
There's a place called Leh. It is a lack of oxygen and low atmospheric pressure.
Yes, sir.
Low atmospheric pressure, and that is how your blood pressure goes up. So whenever somebody goes by air, they do 2 days of acclimatization. This is for all of you. I hope you are listening. Whenever you go to high altitude area, especially Ladakh, Leh is the place. Ladakh is a union territory. Leh is the airport. And from there you go to Nimmo, you go to Kargil. That is what you must have heard. Kargil war you must have heard, 1999.
Yes, sir.
So Anchal, you are not doing the things correctly.
Yes, sir.
Since you said your mother was not well, so I understood that yes, you have been there. But then you are not open enough to understand.
I said opposite. Yeah, sir.
So that is not to be done.
Yes, sir. Sure.
That is your factor 1. Your intelligence. You're asking questions. That day I made you write those points in factor 1. You should be inquiring attitude. यहाँ क्यों हो रहा है? अगर हाई ब्लड प्रेशर है तो क्यों होता है, ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम्स है तो क्यों है, and what is done to counter them? Do you take medicine? No, you just acclimatize yourself. Suppose you had gone by road, these problems would not have been there. Why? Because by road you would have taken 2 days to reach there. For 2 days में अपने आप acclimatization हो जाता है. यहाँ पे suddenly from a low altitude you have been put on a high altitude, and your body is not used to that low level of oxygen in the atmosphere. Body is not used to atmospheric pressure, which is very low, so your blood pressure will go up. Yeah, understanding the point. So
yes, sir.
All of you got the points, mistakes that Anchal made now. Riya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Gaurav?
Yes.
Saksham?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mohit?
Sir. Yes, sir.
So all those guys who are going for SSB immediately, please be very, very attentive over here. I'm doing all these things just for your reputation. Okay? Okay, now let's come to Vishwesh now. Vishwesh, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Vishwesh, tell me that you were traveling from, let's say, where are you from, Vishwesh?
Pune, sir.
Okay, you're from Pune. Okay, from Pune, you decide to go for a holiday, or rather picnic, I would say, to Lonavala.
Yes, sir.
And while you were coming back, you were pretty late. And on the expressway, somewhere on the ghats, your vehicle went off-road, tire puncture ho gaya, and you don't have a stepney at all with you. What will you do? You have 2 more friends with you.
Sir, firstly, I will stay on the passing lights and will try to take car as far away from the expressway as possible, and put that the red colored triangle away from my car to indicate that the car is not functioning or tire got puncture. Then I will try to get a mechanic or possibly replace with a stepney which is in my car. And if not possible, there are numbers provided on the expressway to contact in emergency situations like that. So if anything goes wrong, if I am not able to replace it, then I will call that number and will get the assistance from them.
Okay, well done. Good. Shabash. I said ghats, and I told him about a lonely road at night where there is a problem, to find somebody to repair the thing, whether it is a puncture or otherwise. You know, main point which he said, that he will try to do all the actions, and finally he has the emergency help numbers which are available on all the highways. Am I right, all of you? Remember, Varsha?
Yes,
are you aware of this?
Yes, sir.
Emergency
Yes, sir,
highway numbers for medical also,
yes,
for assistance also, for police also. You have
yes,
the boards on all the main highways giving those 3 numbers. So you say, sir, I had noted down the numbers, so I'll call that number and take assistance. Wonderful, very well done. Shabash. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now we are left with only 5 minutes. So instead of me asking you questions, now you'll ask me questions. Who wants to take a lead? Who wants to ask the first one?
Sir, Devendra.
Okay, Devendra, ask question.
Sir, as you said in the interview, when the interviewer IO is trying to put pressure on us by asking uncomfortable questions. So, sir, in the GTO task, sir, there is a command task in which the level of difficulty for candidates is different. So, if we have been given a difficult command task, so does that mean the same also in the GTO also?
Okay, first of all, difference between IO and GTO is IO will keep talking to you continuously. Like I gave you my own example when he said, what is speed of sound? I said this much. He said, okay, convert it. I said, okay, convert. I'll use the word bothering me, fingering me. He did not let me do that. Okay. And then I said, out of frustration, I was almost about to give up. When I remembered, no, I've been selected. मेरे को बोला था select कर लिया है. मैंने कहा हाँ इसका मतलब अच्छा हो गया, select हो गया. तो मैंने कुछ भी बोल दिया. He said, but are you sure you given a right answer? I know, sir. I know it is a wrong answer. He said, why did you give it a wrong answer? I said, because sir, आपने मुझे calculate करने का मौका ही नहीं दिया. So this is a conversation. This will not happen with GTO. GTO will brief you initially, and thereafter he is off. He is only watching you and noting down in his pad about you people. All that is going to happen is between you people and your group. So that is watching you. Now, before I go further, it is important to finish the task, so the whole group gets selected. But at the same time, in case your group is of idiotics, so you are not able to finish the task, as long as you have behaved correctly, you have been positive, you have displayed your factor 1, 2, 3, and 4, you will be selected. Okay. And here tomorrow when I'll show you the photographs, I'll tell you what is to be done. Suppose you don't get, the guys don't give you a chance to come up and you remain behind. Now what do you do standing behind? If you keep standing like a duck, you are surely rejected. But even if you're standing behind and yet you're trying to reach up, try to speak, try to tell them, try to, you have a balli or something in your hand, try to sort of hand it over front, it is good enough. Ye kal baat karenge. So it is what I'm trying to tell you is that GTO will not interfere in your work. IO will. So IO को आपने हाजिर जवाबी से जवाब देते रहना है. GTO के साथ ऐसा नहीं होगा. उसके साथ पूरे एक बारी टास्क मिल गया, उसको अपने टास्क को खत्म करना है. Okay, next question.
Hello sir, I have a question about PIQ.
Yeah.
So there is a column is extracurricular activities. I am participated in school band and parade team from my class 7th to from my class 10th. Can I write this in the?
I have given this answer so many times. Please write there. अगर गुल्ली डंडा भी खेला है, विषामृत भी खेला है, अपने घर के छत के ऊपर या अपनी गली के अंदर क्रिकेट खेला है, बोलो सर क्रिकेट, गली क्रिकेट.
No sir, no, I am not telling about that. Sir, it is written in sports column or extracurricular activities column.
You can write anywhere you feel like, whatever you think. Don't get tension, but write something, because writing you are writing there to tell him, look, I'm a social guy. I'm not loner. We don't want loners. As long as you're a social guy, he's happy. सबके लिए क्लियर है पॉइंट ये. और अपना कुछ अर्नब को वो लिंक दो उस वीडियो का जिसमें PIQ दो भी लिंक्स हो, 2 सेशंस के लिंक्स होंगे. Give it to Arnav.
Yes sir.
Get those links and see those videos. How to fill up PIQs.
Okay sir.
Yeah, and next one. 2 minutes left.
Sir, I have a question. You said that don't be negative about parents, your siblings and your teachers. So
and your friends
be negative
and
friends also.
You can be negative about chore. You can be negative about molesters. You can be negative about dirty people, who are dishonest people. But ये जो 4-5 लोग हैं, parents, teachers, friends and siblings, they are non-negotiable. No matter how bad they are, you will still say, sir, वो मेरे अपने हैं, मैं उनको समझा लूंगा, या वो समझ जाएंगे.
Agreed, sir.
या उनको नहीं करना है. या रिया question.
So you ask someone that if the interviewing officer is asking you that do you go to movies with your friends? Sir, in my case, I do not go to movies because I am not allowed to go to the movie hall either alone or with my friends.
Yeah, you say, sir, I don't go to movie hall, but I go to mandir. You want to do Hanuman Chalisa? I go with my friends to mandir. Perfectly all right. I go with my friends to, let's say, Mela. I go with my friends to watch something in somebody's house. Perfectly all right.
But sir, if they specifically ask you why don't you go to movie halls and you are going to all these places,
but my parents feel that I should not go to movies, so I respect my parents. I agree to their whatever they tell me.
Okay, sir. Okay.
वो मूवी हमको घर में ही दिखा देते हैं, टीवी पे दिखा देते हैं, हमारे पास सीडी पे दिखा देते हैं, हॉल में जाने की क्या जरूरत है. ओके.